Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Welcome back. I'm Rano. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Raja Ampat. Okay, I'm delighted to be here. In a beautiful day, I'm gonna tell you about healthy life. Do you know about healthy life? Okay, well let me illustrate all of my topic. Firstly, I'm gonna tell you about what is healthy life. Healthy life is condition when we can work in social and economic environment. Secondly, I'm gonna tell you about how to get healthy life. Is you have to sleep 8 hours a day, eat nutrition food, for example, fruit like mango, carrot, banana, and many more. And you have to little exercise like running for about 20 minutes a day. Finally, I'm gonna tell you about the positive impact for your life. Yes, of course. The face look more fresh, the body look more strong, and always come up new idea in your life. Do you get my point? Okay, conclusion is health for your body is a precious treasure. That's it. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Have a great day. See you around and bye bye.